The city of Denver may significantly increase its fines for public health violations, and that's everything from daycare to trash collection.
And city leaders say the old fines just don't have the teeth. Denver 7's Megan Lopez brings us an in-depth look at the proposed changes.
And basically saying that we are closed indefinitely.
It's not something Denver takes lightly. Fines, even closures for health violations. These extreme steps,
Not compliant with Colorado's safer at home public health order,
are normally a last resort. But over the past year, COVID has highlighted how difficult enforcement can be. For decades, Denver's fines for health violations have been capped at $999. While most businesses comply, sometimes
the $999 potential fine is not enough to keep them from making that poor decision.
companies fined over and over but kept doing the same thing. The old Pembroke on the Green Apartments was one of those repeat offenders, cited 12 times in 2019 alone. When residents complained,
I wouldn't even get a call back. I wouldn't get an email, no nothing.
it took a new property management company and a complete rebranding for things to change.
We actually used to own the property before we sold it to the prior owner. We were a little bit surprised at the condition we received it back in.
The new management company is working on major improvements.
They're painting the buildings, they're making them look better, they're remodeling the inside.
We want to make sure that we provide a healthy living environment.
But not all repeat offenders are going to change ownership, so Denver Public Health's Bob McDonald wants higher fines.
We're hoping that a higher incentive with a $5,000 fine will get people to think twice.
Another habitual offender, Waste Management of Colorado, fined 42 times in 2019 alone for noise violations at places like this apartment complex, and paying a total of $42,000. That would have been $210,000 if the fine was increased.
This will bring us in consistent with all other local public health departments throughout the state.
If Denver City Council approves, the new fine structure could hit habitual offenders where it hurts.